Hey, do you feel like unsmart, poor, underrated? Do you feel like you can't achieve anything? And are you struggling for success? Then this story is really going to motivate you. Stay tuned till the end to learn some valuable lessons from this video. From a bus conductor to superstar, Rajinikanth. We all know Rajinikanth for his humbleness, his superhit films, and people praise him like a god. But you are going to amazed by hear that from childhood Rajinikanth is not like that which we see today. A luxurious lifestyle, huge fan following, and so on. Rajinikanth born in a very low middle class family. His father was a police constable and mother was a housewife. In childhood, he was named as Shivaji Rao Gaekwad after the name of Maratha Empire King Chhatrapati Shivaji. Only at the age of 9, he lost his mother. He is the youngest of 4 siblings. His aspiration towards theatre grew when he participated in a play as Ekalavya's friend from the Hindu epic Mahabharata. But he never thought to become a superstar. He just wanted to follow his passion. After completion of school, he has to support his family. For that, he worked as a coolie. But not getting enough money from coolie's job, so he decided to work as a carpenter. That phase of his life, he struggled a lot. He also worked as a bus conductor, just because the salary is high in comparison to a coolie and a carpenter. When Rajinikanth worked in bus transport, he watched an advertisement of newly formed Madras Film Institute and he decided to take up an acting course from there. But his family was not fully supportive of his decision. Just like you and me, when we want to do something different, we are not getting any support from our family. That phase also faced by Rajinikanth. In that time, one of his friend and co-worker, Raj Bahadur, motivated him to join the institute and also financially supported him during this phase. And Rajinikanth take a jump toward his passion. During the institute, in a rehearsal, Rajinikanth was noticed by a famous Tamil director K. Balachandar. And his acting career started from 1975, Apurva Ragangal film. Do you notice that when he is taking one step towards his passion, opportunity also take one step forward to meet him. But remember one thing, Rajinikanth was not quit his bus conductor work. He is just follow his acting passion side by side. So why can't we take small steps towards our passion? Coming back to our story, by the time of 1990s, Rajinikanth established himself as a commercial entertainer and as a superstar, and during this time, his all films are highly successful at the box office. Rajinikanth once said that his biggest inspiration in film journey is Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. From this line, we can see that Rajinikanth always stay humble and take inspiration from other actors, which make him a biggest superstar we can ever heard. Mr. K. Balachandar once said, Rajinikanth claims that I am his school, but I must admit that this was not the Rajinikanth I introduced. He evolved on his own merits and strengths. I gave him an opportunity and unveiled him to the world. He went and conquered it. From this, we understand Rajinikanth always feel thankful for his mentors, whoever helped him to grow in the film world. Now, in 2002, there's a struggling phase for him. Some of his films get criticized and films are not going very well. It is his struggle phase. But from 2006, his films Shivaji, then Robot, and then 2.0 movies are become blockbuster hit. So whenever he going in a struggling phase, he just keep patience. It's really an admiring journey of Thalaiva Rajinikanth. He is awarded by many honorable awards. The government of India has awarded him the Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan award. And the 67th National Film Awards, he was awarded as Dadasaheb Phalke Award. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share your feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.